Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 12 from Madani Qaida. We will learn Ikhfa. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. What is Ikhfa? Ikhfa is the second case of Noon Sakin and Tanween. What is the definition of Ikhfa and how Ikhfa will happen? If any Ikhfa letter comes after Noon Sakin or Tanween, then Ikhfa will be done, that is Ghunna nasalization will be done. In Ikhfa, Ghunna will be done as well. And how we perform Ghunna with Ikhfa we will learn in this video as well. How many Ikhfa letters are there? There are 15 Ikhfa letters and they are Kaf, Qaf, Fa, Ra, Qa, Dad, Sad, Sheen, Seen, Za, Dal, Dal, Jim, Tha, Ta. These are the 15 Ikhfa letters. What is Noon Sakin? The letter Noon Sakin can be written as like this. Any letter which has this sign is called Jazm sign or Sukoon sign or silent sign. Any letter which has this sign is called Sakin sign. Here Noon is Sakin or Sakina sign, Sakina letter. What is Ghunna or nasalization? Ghunna means taking the sound into the nose. How we perform Ghunna we will learn in this lesson as well. What is the duration or length of Ghunna? The duration of Ghunna should be equal to 1 alif. What is Sakin letter or silent letter? Any letter, as we have learned, any letter which has this sign, this is Sukoon sign or Jazm sign or Sakina sign. Any letter which has this sign on it is called Sakina letter or silent letter. How we pronounce the Sakina letter or silent letter? The silent letter will be pronounced with the mutaharrik letter coming before it. And what is mutaharrik letter? Any letter which has zabar, zer, pesh, vertical or khada zabar, vertical or khada zer on it or below it is called mutaharrik letter. What is Tanween? 2 zabar, 2 zer, 2 pesh are called Tanween. In fact, Tanween is a Noon Sakin that is at the end of the word. This is why Tanween sounds like a Noon Sakin. For example, Hamza 2 zabar an, Hamza 2 zer in, Hamza 2 pesh un, an, in, un. This lesson also comprises all the previous lessons, that is Harakat, Tanween, the letters of Madda, vertical or khadi harakat, the letters of Leen, the letters of Kalkala and the Sakina letters. Let's see the example of Ikhfa, how we perform Ikhfa with Ghunna. Mim, Noon, Zir, Min, Sad, Lam, Zabar, Sol, Sad, Alif, Zabar, Saw, Sal, Saw, Lam, to Zir, Lin, Sal, Solin. Here Ikhfa letter Sat comes after Noon Sakin. Here Noon is silent letter, silent sign or Jazm sign or Sukun sign on it. Here Noon is Sakin. So therefore Ikhfa rule happening here because there is Ikhfa letter comes after Noon Sakin. And there is Zabar before Alif, this is Alif Madda, and Madda letter we pronounce by stretching up to one Alif or two Harakat, and this is Tanween to Zair. How we perform? We recite Ikhfa with Ghunna, and Ghunna means taking the sound into nose. The length of Ghunna should be equal to one Alif. Me, Sal, Solin, Me, Sal, Solin, Me, Sal, Solin. The next example is Hamza, Noon, Zir, In, Do, Zabar, Do, Lam, Lam, Zabar, Lal, Dalal, Ta, Pesh, Tu, Dalal, Tu. Here Dod is Ikhfa letter comes after Noon Sakin. Here Noon is Sakin because Noon has Jazm sign, silent sign or Sukun sign on it. Here Ikhfa rule will be happening here because there is Ikhfa letter comes after Noon Sakin. And how we perform Ikhfa with Ghunna? Ghunna means taking the sound into nose, and the length of Ghunna should be equal to one Alif. Recite like this: and dalaltu, and dalaltu, and dalaltu. These are the examples of Ikhfa. In next videos, inshallah, we will learn more examples of Ikhfa with Ghunna. Thanks for watching. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.